All right, welcome back everyone. So I'm going to show you the spectacular lighting features and interior cockpit lighting that comes with this Boeing 737. So this is the last flight of the day that I flew. I flew from Bali, Indonesia to Darwin, Australia. So it was like, 800 miles. It's nighttime now. I just shut the plane down, but we're going to go ahead and bring it back to life. I'm going to show you all the lights. So I did a cold and dark tutorial earlier, so I'm not going to really go over that much, but obviously the battery comes on. Okay, these lights look incredible at nighttime. We want to make sure our parking brake's set. We'll go ahead and switch on to ground power. Now look at these lights come on. I mean, this is just like, this is insane. There's a lot of different things you can do with these lights. Let's arm our emergency exit lights. Come on. All right, we'll deal with that later. So lighting wise, I'll start with inside. You can actually come up here and turn on the dome light. So you can do dim or bright. So we'll start with bright. So we've got these dome lights on now. It's just like super realistic if you were sitting on the ground pre-flighting and you needed to see something in your hands, or if you needed to look at charts. Well, iPads nowadays, but you know. But obviously when you're flying, you don't want it that bright, so we turn that off if we're flying. You come to right here, you got the circuit breaker and panel control. Whoops, we don't want to turn the wing anti-ice off, or on. That won't do anything, but whatever. So look behind us, the circuit breakers are dark. We click here. We're gonna turn those all the way on. So now you can see all the circuit breakers. I mean, look at the level of detail that has gone into this. This is really incredible. You go up here and we can turn our panel lights up. Okay, so that'll make these background lights brighter, just like when you're in your car. You can come down here. We're going to turn these panel lights up all the way. We're going to turn the... No, we don't want... This is the floodlight on the autopilot. We're going to turn that off. And we're going to turn the... we don't really want that on. We're going to turn all the floodlights off so I can show you the lights. But an example of like the floodlight control down here on the... Whoa there. Down here on the pedestal, if I turn the floodlights off, up, obviously it makes everything a little bit more illuminated. If we turn those down like you would when you're flying, you turn the bright on, that turns the lights behind the panel on. So I like flying like this. All I need is my switches and you can see great out the window. Okay, so ground power's on. Something cool I didn't really show in my cold and dark. I'm gonna have to turn the dome light on to see it. There's a useful use of that. Something I didn't show. This aircraft has functioning stall and airspeed tests. So, okay, so that's the overspeed test, and then these are the stall warning, aka the stick shaker. So. Obviously, you never want to hear that noise. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go outside. Okay, as you can see, we've got our beacon light flashing and our green navigation light illuminating the ground. I'm going to go ahead and turn every single light on this aircraft. And we'll put our strobe light on as well. Now let's go see, and you can see obviously out in front of us, and let's see if the nose wheel will turn. The nose wheel will turn a little bit, so you can see that light turning. Let's go outside. So you can see now the strobe flashing, the wing light illuminated on the wing, like you do under 10,000 feet and on approach. You can see. All right, we'll go to a exterior view here. It's quiet, no APU, but we've got the ground power. But just look at this lighting that they've put in this game. It truly is incredible. So yeah, that's the 737. Thank you.